Hey YouTube! Today we will be doing a Sea Monkeys unboxing, and this one is the Magic Castle. Now the reason why it's so loose and everything isn't what it's supposed to be is because I've already made an unboxing about this one, but the video didn't publish yet. It's been 2 days and it didn't even upload. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna make a new video. So first, here's the back side. Comes with the water purifier, Instant Live Eggs, Growth Food, and the Plasma 3. Let me focus. Here we go. Oh yeah, and also comes with the Aqua Leash, aquarium, and injections, etc. So when you open it, this is what you're gonna get when you open it. The Aqua Leash, the aquarium cap, this product thing, and instructions. Then when you open it and you remove all the plastic, this is what you're gonna get: water purifier, Instant Live Eggs, the growth food, the plasma, what do you call it? The Plasma 3, and the spoon. Yeah. So then, here is where the aquarium is. There we go. You see? So, I'm not sure if I should be, starting the setup process for this, or I should wait until I, order some extra stuff, like, the other thing, the air pump, the vitamins, the banana treats, the growth stimulus, and the medicine. So I'm not sure if I should start yet, or what do you call it? Yeah. So anyway, so you guys please put in the description if you think I should start or I should wait until I order the thing. So yeah. Thanks for watching YouTube, and please subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.